Hello and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Good Little Wolf by Nadia Shireen. Are we all sitting comfortably? Then let's begin. Rolf and Mrs. Boggins were best friends.
"You really are a good little wolf,"
Mrs. Boggins told him. Rolf liked being a good little wolf. He liked baking tasty cakes, he ate up all his vegetables, and he was always nice to his friends. But Mrs. Boggins also said that not all wolves were good. In fact, some were downright bad. Rolf hoped he would never bump into a big, bad wolf. Now, what do we have here? Said the big, bad wolf. You, look like a wolf, and, you feel like a wolf. You smell like a wolf.
"That's because I am a wolf,"
Piped up Rolf.
"I'm a very good little wolf."
Good, said the big, bad wolf. Wolves aren't good. Wolves are big and bad. Real wolves howl at the moon, hooted the big bad wolf. Real wolves blow houses in. Real wolves eat people up.
"Well,"
said Rolf,
"I am a real wolf, and I'm sure I can't do all those things."
So Rolf tried to howl at the moon. He pursed his lips, took a deep breath, and then out came a great big whistle. Then Rolf went to see Little Pig.
"Do you mind if I blow your house in?"
asked Rolf. You can try, I suppose, said Little Pig. So he huffed and he puffed, but it was no use. I'm sorry, Rolf, said Little Pig.
You're right,"
said Rolf sadly.
"I'm just not bad enough to be a real wolf."
Well, there is one last thing you can do to prove you're a proper wolf, said the big, bad wolf. And suddenly, something quite strange came over Rolf. He felt an unfamiliar, wild feeling growing inside of him. Rolf had never felt more like a wolf.
"See, I am a proper wolf. I just happen to be a good little wolf,"
said Rolf.
"Oh, this calls for a celebration,"
cried Mrs. Boggins, and they all sat down for some tea and cake.
"Will you stop eating people up, big bad wolf?"
asked Rolf. Oh, I suppose so, said the big, bad wolf. I'll stop first thing tomorrow. The end. There he is. He's okay. And that was Good Little Wolf by Nadia Shireen. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video. And remember, you can always subscribe to the channel at Read Us a Story. Thanks. Bye!